Hello, this is Andrew and welcome to Python. This course consists of 5 exciting programming projects that'll take you from beginner to professional level program. Project 1 shows you how to install Python, how to use the IDLE, how to load and use .py files. It also includes variables and various data types. Project 3, we start to use Turtle to visualize loops and functions. For example, you'll learn to develop code like this, and also here it is running. So I can draw how many sides of a polygon I want. I say 3, I get a triangle. I say 4, I get a square. I say 8, I get an octagon. If I say 20, it starts approaching a circle. Okay? Projects 2, 4, and 5 walk you through all the necessary elements of programming. It includes conditionals, functions, how to pass and return variables, loops, conditionals, how to load data from an input file, process the data, and then output the data to even a CSV file, which can be opened in Excel. So for example, let me demonstrate. So here's Excel. This is data out file, and this is actually the data sent out right here. You can see there's no data in here now. So let's close it so it'll run. Okay. And then we're going to go ahead and run the data out. We're going to run this code. So what this code does is it reads this in, and it takes all this information, and it calls a function and calls a function and does a lot of data processing, and then generates the output files. So let's see if it works. Okay, so data out is in the .csv file. So let's go ahead and see if we can open that. So to open this in Python, I'll just go ahead and open. I'll choose all files, and we'll look for our data out. It's right here, and it's generated as a Excel file. I'm going to go ahead and open it with OpenOffice because that's what I like to use. We'll open this comma separated, and bam, there's all your data processed. All right, so I think this is a great course. It takes you through everything you need to know to really get up to speed at programming at a high level. All right, thank you, and I'll see you in the course.